Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
This is the Toyota Corolla VVT-h Excel. It's a 2021 model and it comes with 18,400 miles on the clock from 3 previous owners. It comes with a full Toyota service history, last carried out at 14,000 miles, and is finished in the Manhattan grey paintwork worth £600 from new. On the front of the vehicle you'll find your automatic bi-LED headlights offering excellent visibility. The car comes with a smart entry system offering keyless entry and start into the vehicle. Around to the back you've got the rear parking camera embedded underneath the badge there to give you a nice clear view when manoeuvring. Into the vehicle now, taking a look in your boot space, plenty available with side pockets to the left and the right there. Storage underneath the flooring as well, and you've also got that battery there as the car is the Petrol hybrid variant. Privacy screen up top as well will keep your belongings out of sight. Into the rear seating now, in the centre you'll find your vent controls. You've got privacy glass offering excellent privacy as well as some nice styling on the vehicle. Full leather upholstery in the rear, armrest in the centre there with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points on the 2 outer rear seats. Making our way into the front now, on the door you'll find the 4 electric windows and electrically adjustable door mirrors. Lighting controls behind the steering wheel as well as your automatic wipers, and these gorgeous leather sports seats in the front here that do come with lumbar support underneath. Taking a look on your steering wheel now, you have some controls for the media system, including volume as well as back buttons, controls for the digital cockpit, as well as the cruise control and speed limiter. Taking a look at that cockpit now, you can flick through the digital display to see all your different information, including trip computer as well as the media, and all of your different safety features here, including functions such as the lane keep assist. The car does also boast driving modes with the Sport, Normal and Eco, and of course the EV mode for that hybrid driving. Moving on now to the main media system, we'll start off with your audio options, plenty available here. You've got AM, FM and DAB wavebands for stations all across the country, USB and Bluetooth audio as well, and the USB can even be used for a smartphone integration. You've got a map system here giving you a nice clear view. You've got the speeding cameras nearby as well as other options such as the parking. Under the phone connection you can connect via Bluetooth for hands-free calling on the go, so you can take calls nice and easily. Taking a look now at that rear camera, it gives you a nice clear view behind the vehicle as well as guidelines to line up into parking spaces with a red line indicating when you're at the very edge. Just below the screen you'll find the dual zone climate control for individual temperatures on each side of the vehicle, fantastic in preventing arguments between you and your passengers. Taking a look down the full centre now, below this you'll find your heated seats for the front here with the high and low options. Behind that your driving mode and EV mode selector. It is an automatic as well, so it offers smooth seamless driving. Behind that electronic parking brake as well as the hill hold assist. 2 cup holders and plenty of storage in the armrest with a 12 volt and USB connector.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call now on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.